Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the scale command exists and which version you have. That affects flags and behavior. Next, make a quick backup of files so you can revert. Then you pick the scale value, factor, or target size, because that determines interpolation and output options. Once chosen, run the command with a small test file to validate syntax and effects. This fast trial avoids surprises and clarifies whether you need integer rounding, anti-aliasing, or metadata preservation enabled. You now execute the scaling with attention to interpolation and output settings. Choose nearest for crisp pixels, bilinear for balanced smoothness, or Lanczos for high detail preservation. This choice impacts sharpness and file size. Then set output format and quality parameters because compression alters pixels. If you have many files, use batch or recursive flags to automate processing rather than repeating commands. Once done, verify a sample output and inspect edges and text for artifacts. You finish by verifying final dimensions, aspect ratio, and visual quality to ensure the scale matched intent. If artifacts or blurring appear, rerun with a different interpolation or add padding to preserve edges. Make sure to compare against the original to confirm no metadata loss. If the command fails, enable verbose or debug output to pinpoint flags causing errors. Often it is a path, permission, or unsupported format. When fixed, automate the validated command in a script for consistent reuse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.